Good morning. It's always a good day when you got some car parts waiting for you. I already opened this, but I got new daily. Not really a new daily, but it's new to me. Got a steering wheel, and I got a... Well, let's just open it up. So, I got a car used design Gurney flap, and let's take a look at this one. Not really a fan of Alcantara or carbon fiber steering wheels. Really simple. The C7 already has an Alcantara steering wheel, and I'm not a big fan of it, to be honest. It looks nice, it feels nice, but I know over time they start to feel ugly. So I got an all leather steering wheel for the daily, installing that today, and the wing. And I also have some Acuity parts and Alta short shifter, the adapter. So I got a few parts to put on today. So I got the shift gate bracket, and I remember when I had these on, they really made a big difference. So I'm gonna put those on today. Let's get to it. So here it is. Picked up a 2019 SI. I already got wheels on it. I got some gram lights, 57 DR, 18 by 8.5, all around. Yeah. It's all stock. He already had it lowered on Skunk 2 springs and Godspeed camber kit, and I just added the wheels. Now we're gonna add a few more things. So right now I'm just mocking it up, but it looks like it has like a little lip. It goes over the existing wing already, and then it's got double-sided tape. So right now we're just mocking it up, but I believe it's called Caruise or Caruise design. A little bit of a gap, but they get the double-sided tape where it needs to be, just to help it out. Alright, so that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. There we go. It's pretty easy. So just had to align it a little bit. Little issue there, but I got it. Now for the next one, probably gonna do the steering wheel next. From there, oh, that already sounded loose. Take off the trim pieces so we can transfer it onto a new steering wheel. Got the steering wheel in. Oh wow. Locked it. Really like how it feels. It's thicker. Yeah, that's it. My old SI had the Type R wheel, and it wasn't as flat here. It was kind of like it flattens out, but it's like kind of curvy still. This one's just flat. It almost reminds me of like a WRX steering wheel. Alright, so my camera died, but we got everything installed. Short shifter feels great. Steering wheel feels great also. Love the notches as I drive it more and more. The notches by the controls feel nice, and right up here on the corner, flat bottom feels real nice. Overall, I'm really happy with it. Install was very easy. Everything feels real good though. I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description where I got my steering wheel from, as well as the Gurney flap, as well as the short shifts and the Acuity shift gate bracket. Overall, I definitely recommend it for somebody who's going to be daily driving this car. Just makes the driving experience that much more enjoyable. It's just aesthetically pleasing as well. Also, don't forget, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. It helps me out and I really appreciate it. Especially if you enjoy watching my videos. And I get into creating more videos for you guys, share with you my experiences with the cars that I get and the things that I do to them. But yeah, if you like it, make sure to do all those things. I'll see you on the next one.